All right, welcome back everybody. This is Paul with Southern Adirondack Outdoors, and today on the mill we have a soft maple. This is one of the ones we've been cleaning out of our old log piles. This is, let's see, is just over 9 feet long. On the big end here is 20 by about 19 and about 16 by 17 on the small end. And you can see it's pretty well spalted. And the goal today, I think, may change, is to get a slab from here, a slab from here, and I'll cut one here in the middle as well, then cut out the pith and get two, I'm not sure what. But so this is really going to be an experiment to see if it's still salvageable or if it's firewood or garbage. I don't know yet. But so we're going to get down to roughly this line and a couple 1-inch cuts, or inch and, no, 5/4 cuts, excuse me, 1 1/4. Till we get to about that point, and we'll go from there. And you're stuck with just me today. Andy's out grafting apple trees and stuff, so he's getting ready for spring at the orchard. Alrighty. Oop, you're off. No, it just went dark. Well, the wood's turning out a lot better than I thought it would. The shades of green, shades of blue or purple or red. It still seems pretty solid. This edge is a little punky, but we'll see. And the other boards over there, I'll resaw the edges off of those. They look pretty good too. Oh. So it's looking promising. I was not sure what I was going to get out of these, if anything. Get in there. There we go. You stay. All right, you're behind the saw now. I lined up for my first, well, actually last cut. This is 3 inches above the bed. So that'd be a 3 inch, and I'm changing things up a little bit from my original plan. So we got a 3 inch, then I'm gonna do a 2.5. So 2.5 and 1/8. So that'll be a slab with a pith in the middle. Then we'll go up another 3 and 1/8. And that'll be the top cut of my top slab. And from here, to figure out where to cut, I'm just going to go up 5/4, 1.25 inches. So 1 inch and 1/8 and 1/4. I look at it and I said, well, maybe one more. So I'll go up 1 inch and 1/8 and 1/4. So that's where my first cut's going to be. It may not be worth much, but we'll see. Sometimes you get something out of it, sometimes you don't. Yeah, won't get too much out of this one, but something. A little narrow here, probably get a good 6-footer out of it. Getting quite a bit of figure here. Knot, some bar conclusion. Might have been 2 knots, I'm not sure. But still looking good. Solid. A little funky on the edges, so instead of live veg, I may just make these into, well, wide boards. All right, we can take a next cut's gonna be a 3-inch cut. All right, now I gotta figure out how to show these two guys without having to move them around too many times. I think I'll slide this one down to the other end of the deck. Easier said than done. All right. All right, that's good for now. Let's clean this one off, show you guys that. Yeah, nice. Wish I had some water over here. Put Gatorade on it. Yeah, probably not a good idea. Nope, no water. Alrighty here. I got, there's one underneath this one too. This is the 2.5-inch center section. These tend to look the best from an aesthetic viewpoint, but they're the least stable. But hopefully I got enough of the pith boxed in. Here's the, where is it? Okay, there it is. There's the pith right there, so it's somewhat boxed in, not as thick as I would like, but and here you can see it where it runs up through. And looks like the blade's definitely getting dull, getting chatter on it. On that end, this end not as much. So came out looking good. Well, this old saw maple impressed me. It turned out better than I thought it would, and I guess it'll be more than just garbage or firewood. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.